6 years later. Oh, anyway, yeah, crazy. Huh? So here we go. Place your bets. Crazy Dog Zone. Bets down. Are they gonna be out? Last place in America. These dogs don't care. They don't care if you're a log truck. They don't care if you're a truck. They don't care if you're a pavement roller thing. They don't care if you're a whole line of. They don't care. They're gonna run at you and they're gonna bark at you. It's like 20 years ago. This dog is still alive. Bets down. Entering Crazy Dog. I hear him. Oh, he's in the house. You can hear me watch out so bad. Did you hear him, you guys? Okay, I don't know what to call that one. What do you guys call that one?